It is your boy DS Dan. I am back with another one for you guys. Take a look. As you guys can see, we have the Air Jordan 3 Racer Blues set to release tomorrow. Today's actually Friday. This video should drop tonight. And you guys can get a quick look at how they look and things like that, so you guys are able to decide if you want to pick them up or not. Before we get into this video, all you guys out there, make sure you hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these. Jordan 3s are very iconic. You guys already know that. A lot of people are mad about the elephant print. They try to throw a little reflective on the elephant print. That's why it's like that in black. Show you guys, just got pulled up a picture real quick. These are the fire red 3s, as you can see. It does have the black elephant print, but it does not come with the reflective on the shoe. They should have just released the fire red 3s. I think they should have just did that. So just so you guys get a little glimpse of what they're trying to do. So that 2021, they threw a little reflective on here. Show you guys a picture of that right now. But all around clean shoe with a retail price of $190. About to give you guys a detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. It's gonna be a quick on feet, guys, because I know where I'm at is raining, it's pouring, I'm floods everywhere. And let's start off with the box. You can see you got your elephant print right there with the blue Jumpman. Take a look at the size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 3 Retro. The colorway is white, racer, blue, black. Retail is 190 bucks. Inside you got your regular paper that they're giving now with that, you know, that little print on it. Quality on the shoe is A1. I'm not gonna lie, the leather's pretty nice. The color's popping, so it's all around a clean shoe, man. It's your preference. If you guys want to cop them, you cop them. If you don't, you don't. The white leather on the shoe is very, very nice. Nice soft leather. One set of laces, white laces on the shoe. Going up on the tongue, you got the blue Jumpman. He is stitched in. Okay, behind the laces on the tongue, they did hit you with the gray. Tongue is in leather. Got an all white midsole. Above the midsole over here on the side panel, it is in that blue. The blue looks nice though, man. The blue pops. All around nice shine to that blue. You got the elephant print in the front and the elephant print in the back. All white leather upper on the shoe. The leather's nice, like I said, guys. No complaints at all. Craftsmanship looks good. Everything looks good. Got a little blue hit going towards the back of the heel. Medial, same as the lateral. You guys can see elephant print in the back and in the front in the black. White on the midsole. Air bubble unit is clear. And you do got the blue hit going towards the back of the heel. That blue is very, very nice though, I must say. Gray over here by the eyelids. And like I said, all white leather upper. Back of the shoe, we got a blue Jumpman with the blue Air. Take a look at that bottom. You got that Jordan right there in the bottom. Gray outer sole with the blue hits of white. You got your blue going towards the front. Here's the inner sole, all white inner sole. Blue Jumpman. It's just a regular basic inner sole. Do you agree with me that they should have just released the fire red 3s? I think they should have just did that. But hey, you know how Jordan brand is. Enough talking. We are about to get into this quick on feet. Thank you all for your support. Nonetheless, stay tuned. More videos to come. It's your boy DS Dan.